Now, let me make this very clear. We do not have to do this. But tomorrow, there is an unemployment report that is going to be released 1 hour before the market opens. In this video, I'm just going to be talking about the expectation. If this video gets over 2,000 likes, I move tomorrow, right? So I bought a new house. I move tomorrow. It's going to be a very long day. This means that in my time, I have to get up prior to 5:30. The stock market opens at 6:30 a.m. Arizona time. That means that this unemployment report is going to be released at 5:30. I have to go live a little bit before that to make sure that we capture the market's reaction. If you want me to host a live stream, get this video to over 2,000 likes by tomorrow at 5 o'clock in the morning. If you do that, I will make sure that I host a free live session and that we capture how the market reacts to this unemployment report. So some of you guys might be asking, why did the market sell off today? It is the expectation that things might come in better than expected. And what do we mean by this exactly? Well, again, we've talked about it before. Bad news is good news right now. The whole focus is the Federal Reserve and their interest rate hike. If unemployment comes in better than expected, meaning that the expectation right now is 3.7%. It is what we reported last month as well. If unemployment comes in maybe at 3.7, 3.6, anything lower than expected, the market will drop, because normally the market would rise if we had lower unemployment, right? Less people unemployed, that's a good thing. Not right now. The Federal Reserve, the whole reason that they are raising interest rates is to bring down inflation. They want the economy to feel the pressure. They're trying to put out the fire. And if they do not see any pressure felt by the economy, then this will only justify a larger interest rate hike. And if they come in worse than expected, so note this, the expectation is 3.7%. If we come in at 3.8, 3.9, or 4%, then yeah, it's like, oh no, unemployment's worse than expected. But the Federal Reserve will take that as kind of a compliment of like, okay, we don't have to be as aggressive moving forward with our interest rate hike. It's a different way of thinking. But again, my whole purpose here on YouTube is to make it simple for you to understand. Tomorrow is a very significant day, and that's why we had some selling pressure during the aftermarket hours. I reduced my position size, but I wanted you guys to see I'm up $19,000 on SQQQ. I'm going to follow up to see where we're at during that pre-market session. And again, if you guys get this video to over 2,000 likes, I will make sure that I host that live stream. I'm sorry, I thought I was sharing my screen. But you guys can see that right on over here. SQQQ, $19,000 on the day. I have 4,000 shares left on the open. But I am excited for tomorrow. It's just really up to you guys if I host the live stream or not. And again, I definitely do not have to have a very, very long day tomorrow. But if you would like me to, I just want to make sure that enough people show up. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications, drop a thumbs up. And if you have any questions whatsoever, even prior to that, feel free to send me a direct message via Discord. And again, that is the first link in the description down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post new updates every single day, and that's that third link in the description down below. Friendly reminder, I am verified both on YouTube and on Instagram. These are my only accounts. I don't use Telegram. I don't use WhatsApp. I don't have any crypto fund or Forex fund. I never trade for anyone. The only service that I offer is my Learn Plan Profit group. They are the team that gets to watch me trade live every day. If you want to learn more about that, it's the second link down below. I will never message you first. So if you receive a message from someone pretending to be me and they say, hey, what's up? Or they try to ask you questions, respectfully, I never message you first. If you message me, I will respond to any questions you have, but I will never message you first. There's a bunch of fake accounts out there. Please make sure that you are aware. And again, I'll leave it up to you guys depending if we actually host that live stream tomorrow for that unemployment report tomorrow. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that we earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.